Hello, I'm going to show you how to contact Calkia App if you have any message or any complaint that you want to make or you want to send to the company. Just click on Calkia App. Then you click on More. Then you drag down and click on Contact Us. The first customer name, then your email here, then your phone number, then subject. That's the title of your message, then you write your message here, then you press recapture, then you verify, then you send. Message sent successfully. That's how to send your complaint to Calkia.